Got a new vest from Milwaukee for my cert bag. A little pocket, fits well. Got nighttime reflectors on it. Good quality. Comes in large, extra large together. Fits nicely under the backpack. Nice and comfortable. Try to get a view of it at night with the reflecting lights. Goes well with the Milwaukee Bolt safety helmet and visor. It's good to be prepared. Hope I don't have to use it. But if I do, hopefully I can help someone. Yeah, you see it has a front pocket, a little hanger, and reflective stripes that are grayish, but they do reflect in the zipper front. Turn the light on the camera, you can see them reflecting really well in a dark garage.